Welcome back to my channel. If it is your first time, my name is Masika Ifuru. Today I am here to do a very quick review on the new Too Faced Christmas Snuggles and Melted Kisses matte liquid lipstick set. And you get 4 shades in here: Hot Toddy, Candy Cane, Sugar Cookie, and Caramel Apple. So let's get right into this. I purchased this from Ulta for $25. I purchased 2 of these. I'm gonna get into the shade Hot Toddy. This is Hot Toddy. You don't even feel like you're wearing lipstick with these Too Faced melted matte lipsticks, which I love. Moving on along to this beautiful shade Candy Cane, which is the reddest red in here. Beautiful red, which is Caramel Apple. This is the shade Caramel Apple. It's a red with maybe like a tint of orange in here. Really, really beautiful. This Caramel Apple shade, I will say, is perfect for the fall. It's also beautiful for the Christmas, the holiday season. And all of these formulas are beautiful. It's absolutely nothing bad I can say about these formulas. However, the Sugar Cookie is my least favorite shade, as it does give a powdery type of look on women of color. But if you are going to use this, I suggest you mix it with another one. And I don't think it looked that bad when I tried it on, because I used it right after this Candy Cane shade, which left like a red tint on my mouth. But I will recommend this set to anyone who loves matte lipsticks, anyone who loves Too Faced liquid lipsticks, as this is one of the best matte lipstick formulas. It is kiss proof. You can drink, you can eat in this and it still stays on your mouth. It also has the plumping effect, which plumps your lips when you use these colors in them. And they are all really red tone colors, except for the Sugar Cookie, which is an old shade. They had this 2 years ago in the holiday collection, so this is a re-release, but the other 3 shades are new. And I purchased this from Ulta for $25 with my own money, and I will totally recommend this to anyone who loves liquid lipsticks, anyone who loves matte lipsticks, anyone who loves Too Faced products. This is an absolutely amazing purchase. It can be used for a stocking stuffer, but if you do love these like I do, I suggest that you purchase a second one so you can never run out of it, as these are a limited edition. If there's anything at all that I didn't mention about this new liquid lipstick set, be sure to leave me a question in the comment section and I will be more than happy to respond. If you are new to my channel, be sure to click my picture right here and subscribe to my channel, as I do look forward to seeing you in all of my videos. Thank you so much for watching.